Today I will show you Onkyo HT S3900 Receiver review video. The Onkyo HT S3900 adds more flavor to your music desires. It has impressive features that add more flavor to the audio performance. This great product is all about perfect music sound, especially if you are a music fan. But wait a minute. If you don't want to regret in the future, having invested and buying a home theater receiver, then make arrangements as soon as possible and buy one. It has Bluetooth technology with a Qualcomm audio device that allows you stream videos and music from your smartphone. The best part of this product is that it is among the Onkyo home theater receiver best with technology that you can link wireless media players to the home theater receiver at your comfort. Furthermore, it is quick, and signal transmission is convenient. Onkyo HT S3900 has a DTS HD master that contains a lossy DTS digital core that is vital in bit-to-bit sound representation. Also, this feature supports variable bit rates of 24.5 megabits per second. Additionally, it supports 192 kHz frequency for quality sound production. It is vital in quality sound distribution with 96 kHz 24-bit resolution. Onkyo home theater receiver comes with a high dynamic range that acts as the volume difference between the loudest note and the quietest note. This feature is essential in modern music sound quality as it compresses the volume range on the pointed end to arrive at an average song volume. And HDR works hand in hand with the HDMI ports.